Composite masking paper is made of wood pulp. Craft paper. The composite layer can be selected from PET film to enhance temperature resistance PP film to improve waterproof performance, and aluminum foil to increase barrier properties. Adhesive layer. The mainstream is acrylic, pressure-sensitive adhesive, with viscosity divided into 3 levels: low L, medium M, and high H. The 1/8 peel force is 0.315 N, 25 mm. The conventional temperature range is 21 to 0, and the high temperature type can reach 150–180. The tensile strength is 5 and 25 mm. The elongation at break is 10, and the non-residue rate is 99%. Application. Scener iOS include building decoration, automobile manufacturing, electronic appliances, printing and packaging, and industrial spraying.